Hey wonderful, welcome back. You are watching DS Creation 7. Let's begin with today's recipe of prawns rissois. Ingredients needed are prawns, cornstarch, milk, salt, ginger garlic paste. Here I have taken 2 types of cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, both of equal quantities, butter, coriander, onion and crushed black pepper. In a saucepan, add in oil, butter and allow the batter to melt. Add in the ginger garlic paste and saute it. Now add in the prawns and cook until it's turned pink in color. Do not overcook it. Please do subscribe to my channel and show me love and support. It will encourage me more to get awesome and delicious video. Once it is ready, keep it aside. In a bowl, add the stock of prawn. Don't worry about the extra oil. Chop the prawns fine. Now add in the clear oil from the stock. Just a tip, I have used extra oil for frying prawns because this will have all the flavors, so I use the same oil to fry onions. Add the onion in the frying pan and saute until translucent. Add milk, give a mix. Add crushed pepper. Well, I got this pepper mill from Amazon. The link is in the description box below. Do check it out if you liked it. Add the chopped prawns and saute it. Add salt as per your taste. Now add in the remaining stock of the prawns and give a good mix. Here I am adding in cornstarch mixture, that is cornstarch plus a little bit of water. Add the chopped coriander and cook it for 2 minutes. Now it's the time to add in the cheese and switch off the flame. Allow this mixture to cool down. By the time, let's prepare the dough. To prepare the dough, you will need water, salt, flour and butter. In a pan, add in water, add the salt, add the butter, mix it well and bring it to a boil. Add in the flour in small batches and mix well. Don't worry about the lumps you see. It will be well done in a couple of minutes. Just be patient. It's ready now. I'm gonna put this dough on the kneading surface and knead it until it's nice and smooth. Here I'm cutting the dough into 3 equal parts. I'm gonna keep the remaining dough in the container and cover it with a lid. Let's roll the dough. Once you are satisfied with the rolling, use a cookie cutter or a glass and cut in small circles. This is the kind of thickness we are looking for. Once all the cutting is done, keep it all aside. For coating, here I am using semolina and breadcrumbs. I mix both as it really gives a good texture for the rissois. Also, you will require 1 large egg. Beat the egg. Now let's fill in the circle of the dough. Make sure to press it well or else while frying the stuffing can come out. Time to coat. Add the rissoles in the egg wash. Using a fork avoids the mess. Then dip in the breadcrumbs and semolina mixture. Repeat the process for all the rissoles. All the rissoles are now ready, but I don't want to make all the rissoles today as I'm going to freeze the ones I'm not using it. In a box, add a layer of rissoles, put a sheet of butter paper, again a layer of rissoles, repeat the process. This can be kept in the freezer for up to a week. Let's check if the oil is right for frying. The dough ball floated, that means the oil is ready to fry. Once the rissoles had turned golden brown, the rissoles is ready. Do check out my other videos, the links are in the description box below. Thank you for watching. See ya until my next video. Amore Amore.